3.
Gosh, just don't understand. Hey, Brandon, could you help me solve this problem?
Welcome back. Professor Brandon in the house. Here we have my friend and student, Maurice. What we want to do now is solve a linear inequality, which is different from a linear equation due to this little thing right here. Now, to solve this, we would solve the same way we would solve an equation. However, here we have a fraction. We need to get rid of that fraction. It's the first step. So, now you have a fraction. Here we only have 1. In some cases we have more than 1. We want to find an LCD. Since this is only one fraction, the LCD would be 3. So we want to multiply every term.
Hey, Professor Brandon, what's an LCD?
The LCD is the lowest common denominator.
Okay.
And what we want to do is multiply every term by number 3. For those of you all who are not familiar with what a term is anything that can be divided, anything separated by an addition or subtraction sign. So this is a term, this is a term, this is a term, and this is a term. So let's go ahead and multiply everything by 3. Negative 1/3 y times 3 plus 3 times that 6. Then we have inequality sign. We have 3 negative 3y minus 3 times 6. Let's go ahead and solve it. So 3 times negative 1/3, same as 3 over 1, times negative 1/3, which will give us negative 3 over 3, which is the same as negative 1y, plus 6 times 3, which will give us 18, is all greater than negative 3 times negative 3y, which is negative 9y, minus 3 times 6, which is 18. Now we want to go ahead and combine our like terms. In order to do that, we must get all of our y's on the same side and all of our numbers without a variable on the same side. So, negative 9y, we're going to bring it over here. In order to do that, we have to add 9y to cancel it out over here. We're going to add 9y right here, which will give us negative 1 and positive 9, which is what?
8.
8y.
8y.
Now, let's get this 18 over here with negative 18. Since we want our variables to stay on the left and our numbers without variables to stay on the right. So, I'm going to subtract 18. Oh yeah. Subtract 18 over here. Negative 18 and negative 18 is what? Negative 36.
36.
I knew you knew that one.
Yeah, I did.
So, now we have 8y equals negative 36. Now, to continue this problem, we'll take it up here and show you the final steps. 8y equals negative 36. So, to get y by itself, divide by 8. 8's cancel out. Divide over here by 8. We have negative 36 over 8. Move down, son. Y equals negative 36 over 8. And you always want to reduce. You never want to leave your number unreduced. So, how can we do, what number goes into both of these numbers?
4.
4. 4 goes into 36 how many times?
8 times.
4 goes into 36? 9 times.
9 times.
Correct.
Sorry.
So, y equals negative 9 over, how many times is 4 going to 8?
2 times.
The answer is y equals negative 9 over 2. If you want to solve that, go ahead and plug in negative 9 over 2 for every place where you have the letter y, and your answer should come out to negative 9 over 2.
And Professor Brandon, what changes this sign? I also had a problem that they told me to change my sign. What changes that sign?
The only time you want to change the inequality sign, by change he means flip it over. Some questions you may have a problem where